Welcome to the Modern Pulse, your go-to destination for the latest in automotive insights, reviews, and updates. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, a vehicle that blends heritage with modern innovation, delivering an SUV experience that is both rugged and refined. The 2026 Land Cruiser Prado has made a bold return, boasting a completely redesigned exterior that pays homage to its classic roots while incorporating a sleek, contemporary look. The front fascia features a more prominent grille, squared-off edges, and slim LED headlights, giving it a commanding presence on the road. With its body-on-frame construction, it's built for adventure, offering serious off-road capabilities that Toyota enthusiasts have always admired. Under the hood, the Prado comes with a variety of powertrain options depending on the market, including a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine and a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid system. The hybrid variant is especially noteworthy, as it not only offers improved fuel efficiency but also adds a smoother and quieter ride, ideal for both city commuting and rugged terrain. Paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission, the Prado ensures power delivery is smooth and responsive in any driving condition. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Prado gets a significant upgrade in technology and comfort. The interior is more spacious, with premium materials used throughout. A large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center of the dashboard, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster is fully digital, providing customizable driving data and navigation details. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and a premium sound system further enhance the in-car experience. Safety is a top priority with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The addition of a 360-degree camera system and advanced terrain management controls makes off-road driving safer and more intuitive than ever before. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado also offers excellent cargo space and flexible seating configurations. Whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or loading up with equipment for an outdoor expedition, the Prado is built to handle it all. With its reinforced suspension and improved ground clearance, it continues to be one of the